Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today's video, I'm with a special guest.
My name is Gamora, and we are going to be playing this game named Flood Escape. We played it a couple times. This is our 5th time playing it.
Yeah, so yeah, this is my 5th time playing. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on with this video. So let's go find a container. My game's glitching. Hold up, I gotta reset. Gotta leave the game and rejoin. Booty and Jordy. Booty and Jordy. Hurry up. Hurry up and load. I'm loading back in. Okay, now my computer's not lagging. Can this door open? Thank you. Let's go to... My computer's still kind of lagging, y'all, but it's okay. I don't know why. Every time I record, it makes my computer act funny. It's kind of stupid, but...
I wish.
I'm eating a snack. So if you hear me chewing, don't ask me why. We're eating bagels with some strawberry cheese cream with it, whatever it's called.
Ooh.
Ew, you're nasty, Kamora. Lift is loading. Booty cheeks.
What?
No, you big piece of poo poo. It's man loading.
Mommy, go. They gonna die. Oh,
Can't believe I'm doing this obby with the most laggiest computer right now. Like, bro, my computer. Just waiting until this stupid door to open. He died. No. Yeah.
Going on.
Oh, booty cheeks. Oh, I'm coming to you, Kamora.
Let's go up there, but somebody else is going. Down here.
I suck at doing all these right now because my computer's lagging. I'm scared. No! Oh, I almost fell. Y'all, I hate this. My computer's not acting so great. And it almost made me die like a couple times. My computer won't turn because I'm recording on stupid OBS Studios. I can't even tell if the... Kamora! Kamora just died. I'm the only one right here. Oh. Oh, booty cheeks! No, I panicked too much.
Don't
I died. Alright, let's go. My computer's kind of acting laggy still, but not as laggy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, my computer's acting like
That boy literally just fell.
I'm staying on the side because my computer's acting stupid and yeah. I'm in the door. I can finally take a break and eat my bagel. Okay. So if y'all can just only hear me chewing.
How did the vine over here?
I'm not getting it. My computer's lagging. My big booty cheeks.
Help me. My bagel cheeks.
Your bagel cheeks.
Help me, my bagel cheeks. I'm gonna die.
Your booty up. This is scary. No! No! No!
Help me yourself. Where you are right now.
How did I die? I didn't mean to fall on my big booty cheeks.
No.
We died.
Go to hard.
I'm sorry, my big booty cheeks won't pay attention.
I'm already in.
Booty. Oh. If my computer wasn't laggy.
Watch me.
No.
Watch me.
Okay. Go, come on. Go.
Let's walk in your bedroom. Come on. Why? That boy gonna get that button.
Should I play on my phone? So they can see me playing on my phone?
No.
Yes, I'm gonna play on my phone, y'all. So I might look ugly, but I'm gonna play on my phone because my computer's laggy. So I'm gonna join you, Kimura, on my phone, and then I'm gonna play on my phone, and then I'm gonna look at myself. Okay, I'm joining Kimura right now, y'all. So. Stanky booty, stanky booty. Okay, good. All right, let's play. All right, I'm playing on my phone right now. I'm just gonna wait, and okay, Kimura died. Alright, go to hard mode. Y'all, I'm not gonna go to hard mode because I'm gonna watch myself on my phone. So I'm not gonna go to hard mode. I'm just gonna stay out here. So I'm gonna go on seek and I'm gonna go on hard. And when the match is ready, then are you in? Yes, you're in. Alright. Alright, y'all can see myself now. So y'all, come on, come more. Y'all, I'm the one with the pink hair and the fat body. Don't even ask me why. I have a pink hair and a fat body. I just changed it like that because we were spying on our cousin, so I had to change my character and my name. I almost fell. Ooh. What did you do? You made it, Kamora. That was scary.
The water was so far up. We were about to die. Now we can't scream.
Nice.
That was
Oh, booty cheeks. I fell too. Yo, I died. Yo, I died. I suck. Okay.
funny. Why are you just staying?
Because
Go easy. That's
I'm going to easy. Y'all, I just passed my own self. I'm going to easy, so I gotta wait until.
Oh my god. And then bigger.
All right, y'all can see me now. How do you beat this? What the dookie?
Okay. Jump up, yeah. And then jump in here.
I'm definitely dying on this one. Like dang. Oh my god! I almost fell. My pink, big fat ponytail self almost fell.
No!
Oh, booty cheeks! I'm dying, booty cheeks.
Let me help you.
Booty cheeks.
Caitlin, let me help you.
No, I got it. I got it. I got it.
Don't you dare make yourself die. Caitlin, you almost fell. Give me the phone when you need. Caitlin! Give me the phone. Give me. You just jumped into the water.
I'm sorry. Go to easy. Hard, I mean.
Mommy, I'm not gonna make it, Mommy. Mommy, I'm not gonna make
Help! Help! The door won't open it. No! Booty cheeks up.
Oh. Oh, go on this.
I'm already in this one. Alright, now y'all can see me. More our puppet video uploaded. Y'all on my gaming channel, me and Kamora did a funny puppet trading video, so make sure you guys go watch that.
Come on, hurry up.
I don't want to fall. Booty cheeks. Ah! I fell.
Watch me on your phone.
I fell.
Watch me on your phone or something.
No, I'm gonna watch you on. Let's watch Kamora, y'all.
Hurry up.
Booty to the booty to booty. Booty to the booty to booty. And go up the ladders if you can because you smell like booty jam. Why would you try to do that?
No.
Kamora, you just died. How did I get in a lift? Ah! Go to medium, go to medium. About to pass myself. Howdy there. Oh, booty cheeks.
Guys, it's just us
No, it's only me and Kamora doing it.
two. When you stay right there, I'm gonna go get the button. No, don't go. Yeah, over there. I fell.
Hurry up with your big booty self.
I'm just gonna sacrifice myself because you tried to get the button for you.
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know. Caitlin! I still turn the other way.
I died.
I can't. No!
And I'm at you. Everybody can hear us scream. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Stop burping, you spazo. Darcy Land.
Come on.
Come on, you're going the wrong way. Come on, I farted on your hiney. No! I died. Now I gotta watch Komura.
Where's the boy?
There's no boy. He's at the house in Makadeke.
This is so dumb. Why is he going? I want to. No, you don't say so. No! How'd I die? I just got out of space. Easy or hard? I mean, easy or hard?
You guys made me lose my game. Why did you do that? Stop yelling.
What?
You made me lose my game. I was going back to the
No one cared about your game. Focus. Delete your big face in 2 seconds. No! Go to hard. What the? I fell through the map.
Go to hard.
Can't. I'm stuck.
That's open bomb move in there. No, you're going to the opposite one. Go. I wasn't even in the hard one.
Y'all, there's no map yet. I'm gonna bring myself into the game. Oh, never mind. Let's stay. We keep leaving and coming back, leaving and coming back.
Exactly that. Fast.
Ah, duty. Can this last person die?
I wish it was Dominic using that if you fall, you get extra. And then never fell. I didn't know what
Man. Watch yourself. Let me touch yourself. Oh, this is my old nails. I used to have this purple one. Ew.
What is that? It's on you. How can that so
No, I have to wait until all this glue comes off my hand.
Oh, Mommy.
I have this a map.
No, I'm stuck.
Why didn't you get down?
Because I was trying to do something. I'm stuck. Y'all can't see my screen right now. Ah! I died. Come on, watch. Come on, my.
Hurry up!
You touch the button. Hurry up, you big booty chicks.
No! Too many. Oh my god.
Money.
There's lights on my Get it down. Exactly.
You almost died, Kamora. You're not gonna make it in time. Oops. And the door open.
Ow! Oh, no.
You died.
What did they medium?
I can't go to medium. I'm stuck. You better watch yourself.
Go to easy.
I can't go to easy. I'm stuck. Why does my screen keep walking like a big dookish? Okay, I fixed it. Alright.
It's because you're on watching, so it does that to you
Whatever.
when you walk. It's about it's moving. It's bang the group.
Dark Sick Danny!
What?
Run! Go! You ugly vampire looking doodle butt cheek boy.
Why?
No! I keep accidentally walking up the edge!
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay! Come on, that's not fair. You're still alive.
Okay.
I'll be. Gamora's still alive. I'm running a wall. I'm running mad and new. I bought it again. Come on, you stupid. There's supposed to be a lever in your butt cheeks.
I'm getting the button.
You did that all for a stupid, ugly bootish.
Oh.
Ow, Boogus!
Why do you say that?
Because I'm. Oh, I would have jumped in there, but never mind. Oops, I did it again. I wouldn't you want.
Oh, this ugly person. I don't even know how to get over it.
Dang, he must suck.
Even he died. Oops, I did it again. What?
That's what you were singing. Your bagel! What happened to your bagel? It got all this nasty stuff in it. my stupid computer. Mom. Ew,
Oh, I read it again.
come on, this bagel's so nasty. You got a nail stuck in there. I think I should. Come here.
I can't get out. Ear.
I don't want to know much. Put it on a napkin. This napkin.
Oh, it's stuck on me, but I have to do my leg round, so. I don't know.
Too bad, too soon.
Too bad, too sad, my name's Kayla.
Too bad, too sad. You better like boo
I
boo.
was AFK and I somehow still made it. Wait, did you take the nail?
What? No, you dropped it on the bed.
Where?
Find it. You're about to sleep in a bed with a nail. Well, you're gonna sleep on the side then. You're gonna sleep on the side of that bed tonight. That's what side you're gonna sleep on, the side with the broken nail. That's you're gonna sleep on the nasty bagel nail. I'm sleeping on the other side of the bed. You can sleep on that nasty nail side. You can sleep on that side. No, fly in there then, because nobody even know what that is. Are you sure you're gonna eat that bagel still? You're gonna eat the bagel? I'm just stopping it. You're nasty. I don't know.
I'm gonna put it on you.
No. Put it on your back. Ew, you're nasty. My arm is weak, so stop it.
Why? Ow!
I just put it on your ear.
And then I can put it on yours.
No! Stop! Stop it. Ow, ow. I got you falling. Are you okay? I'm stuck.
Where?
Oh!
Mommy!
I'm gonna get it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Booty! No! I hit it! Yeah! I hit it. How done you? This bagel is.
I stopped with it. I said stop.
No, you're about to hit me. That's how I felt it. You got more on your leg because it was on the bed.
I got some.
Okay, look at this thing on your arm.
Okay, actually stop. Actually.
I'm not gonna do it. You're nasty.
Put it on me. What's happening?
Look at your big fat foot.
No, actually. No, not the whole entire bagel.
You're Don't get your okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today,
Where?
I was like, trying to get you up. What are you guys trying to do? What are you guys doing?
They're fighting with bagel.
You're doing what now?
They're fighting with the bagel. Come on.
I'm gonna end this video here. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna end